Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Whips English, another vlog weekend. I'm kidding.
We're gonna put the Christmas tree here. So I moved all this stuff and I have to clean my desk. And so,
You guys can't see me yet, but because I'm not dressed.
Yuki's not dressed.
We are taking a little break from uploading videos for a while, except for vlogs.
Yeah, we're not gonna do as many videos for a while just because Yuki's burned out. And I don't have time to do it, and I'm not as good at editing as she is. Plus this little one. She just wants all our attention. I recorded a little video the other day for, I don't know, baby blog or something, about giving babies tea in case she's thirsty and not hungry. So that's quick. That was like one take, so I'll be able to put that up pretty easy. I don't have subtitles yet though.
I can do it.
Or Yuki can do it. Hopefully. I mean, it's a weekend now. And it's almost winter vacation, which means I don't have to work for like almost 3 weeks. And my parents are coming for a week, and we're going to Kyushu for a week. Those are separate weeks. So, like, we have
like
a lot.
Right after Chase's family
goes home the next day we go.
Yeah. Or that night. What? No, next night.
Yeah, the next night. And I still don't have my license. I was gonna go take the written test on Tuesday, I thought, but I have work now, so I can't.
He's talking about it because we usually drive home.
Yeah, we drive. They drive, I ride, and take medicine so I don't throw up.
And it takes like 8 to 9 hours.
8 to 12, depending on the traffic. She'll just hang out. We have to buy a baby car seat. Yeah, that's it.
He's forgetting English. Oh my.
I don't speak English anymore. I don't know. We're probably gonna have to. Your grandma's gonna rent a bed, maybe. Right? And are we gonna take our stroller?
I don't think so. I doubt it.
Okay.
We can still hold her and hug her.
We need to practice with the sling.
I don't know.
Her neck's getting stronger. She can lift her head up. She can't like hold it back if it flops forward, but she can pull herself forward. And she turns right and left really easy now. And she follows us when we walk around the room, and she watches us. I'm a stupid cold. It's like I can't stop getting sick. I mean, I'm not sleeping hardly. Not as much as Yuki's not sleeping, but it's not enough because I'm an 8 hours a day person. And I think I've managed 8 hours. It was like broken into 2 4-hour chunks since she's been born. Yeah, it's okay. You're so cute. You're my little girl. Yeah. So, I'm looking forward to when she sleeps more. The other day she slept for 6 straight hours and we're just like, what's wrong?
Hi everyone, it's Yuki, and I'm all happy right now because I am listening to one of my favorite radio stations. They are playing Christmas songs right now until Christmas, and I wasn't able to listen to it since they, I don't know, limited the area or something, and Chase fixed it for me. Anyways, what else? Right now I'm getting ready for our Christmas tree to set up, and it's coming right here. No, the rubber tree is coming right here next to Mika's crib, and the Christmas tree is going to be over there. But I have to vacuum first because our room is messy all the time. Oh, this is our Christmas wreath. I'm kidding. This was our Christmas wreath on the front door, and it's in the bathroom right now. And this is my little collection. And, oh my god. Stupid birds. Stupid birds. Stay here. Okay, so this is the Christmas version of those birds. I'm sure you remember it from the Halloween video or vlog. Oh my god, I can't stand because it's got only one leg. In the kitchen, we only have these 3 little candles so far. This snowman and snowflakes here. It's been there for 2 years now. It's been there for 2 years now. What do you think about that?
1 year.
What?
You put it up last year. She doesn't have a very good memory, and the pregnancy just...
Alright, finished. It's done. It's right here. Looks great. Let's just hope it doesn't die next to the window. I'm behind the camera right now and setting up the camera to fit everything in the screen, and he said...
Shut up. I didn't say anything. She's on drugs.
The tree is 190 centimeter, and I asked him if I asked him how tall he was, and he was like, "What? It's right above my head." And he was like, "I'm like 192." What?
Centimeters are not my first method of measurement.
Whatever, boy.
I'm 5'9", so figure that out. 5'9", 5'10", something like that.
I doubt it.
Yeah.
Look it up.
Alright.
I mean, wait, that's only a number. We have to measure you. We are making another video for Christmas tree decorating Christmas. Yeah. We are making another video for decorating our Christmas tree 2013 version. So we are uploading it if I get it on time before Christmas. So, okay. That's about it for now. So I have to vacuum really badly because this floor is all about glitters now. I got tired from putting up the Christmas tree, which you can't see yet because, as I mentioned, probably right before this scene, because I'm editing. Because we are uploading another video for Christmas tree, and right now I was trying to find a Christmas gift for my older brother, and for my younger brother I found a good present since Chase got him into Minecraft. He loves it, and I found a green jacket called Creeper.
Yeah, Minecraft Creeper. They'll know what it is.
Okay. but I'm not interested. But it's kind of expensive for pre-teenage kid, but I guess we're getting it since it's Christmas. How are you doing this afternoon?
Pretty good. I'm being called.
And yeah, I should hurry too. Oh, busy life with baby.
Yeah.
And can't imagine like having more than one baby. Oh my god. Okay. Tomorrow we are taking a picture. I think Chase talked about it. So, if we make a video about it, then it should be under 子育て vlog playlist. Oh my god, it never gave me this square on my face.
Yeah.
It decides to do it now, like after having this camera for 2, 3, 4 years.
Miki and I are pretty good on face though.
Are they seeing the Christmas tree? Oh no. Okay.
Whoa.
You can't see the Christmas tree yet. Okay. Well, we'll see you guys later.
Later?